Hi everyone, so for my first video I will show you how to make a magic loop, which is how you start making crochet items. Alright, so this is your hook. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, and what I have with me is worsted yarn. So let's start. So with the yarn over, you want to wrap it around 2 fingers, so you see an X over here, and then what you do is with your hook you go under the first yarn, pull out the second yarn, and let it just sit on top of your finger like this, and there you have your magic ring. So this is your working yarn. So what you do is you pincer grab the circle or magic ring, and then you can use your 2 fingers behind to let the working yarn sit on top. And how we normally start our crochet patterns is we do chains. So this is how you make a chain. So there's 1 chain, 2 chains, and 3, and so on. Yep, that's all for now. Bye bye.